February 15th, 2013, an ordinary morning in Russia turned into a moment of fear and confusion. People were driving to work. Children were on their way to school. The sky was calm and silent. No one expected what was about to happen. Suddenly, a blinding flash appeared in the sky, brighter than the sun, faster than anything the human eye could follow. Within seconds, a massive fireball was seen falling from space. The sky burned with light. Cars stopped in the middle of the road. People stepped outside, looking up in shock. Then came the explosion. A powerful shockwave hit the city. Windows shattered. Buildings trembled. Alarms went off everywhere. Many people screamed. Some fell to the ground. Others believed this was the end of the world. This was not a movie scene. This was not special effects. This was real. This was the day fire fell from the sky. The incident took place over the city of Chelyabinsk, located in southern Russia, a city where thousands of people were living their normal lives. In just a few seconds, everything changed. Dash cameras inside cars captured the moment. Security cameras recorded the bright flash. Mobile phones caught the shock and fear on people's faces. The videos spread rapidly across the world. Millions watched in disbelief. What was this mysterious object? Where did it come from? And how dangerous was it? Scientists later confirmed that this was a meteor, a space rock traveling through the universe for millions of years. It entered Earth's atmosphere at an incredible speed, almost 20 kilometers per second. As it moved through the air, friction caused it to heat up rapidly. The surface began to burn. The meteor turned into a giant ball of fire. This fireball was visible from hundreds of kilometers away, but the most terrifying moment was yet to come. As the pressure increased, the meteor exploded in the air. The explosion released an enormous amount of energy equal to dozens of atomic bombs. The shockwave traveled across the city. Glass shattered instantly. Walls cracked. People were injured without ever seeing the object itself. More than 1,000 people were hurt, not by fire, not by impact, but by the force of the explosion. Hospitals filled quickly. Emergency services rushed to the scene. Parents searched for their children. Fear spread everywhere. The world was asking one question: how did this happen without warning? To understand that, we must first understand what meteors really are. To understand what happened in Russia, we must first understand what meteors really are. Every day, thousands of small rocks travel through space. They are leftovers from the formation of our solar system. Most of them are harmless. Most burn up silently in the atmosphere. But some are different. These objects are called meteoroids. When they enter Earth's atmosphere, they become meteors. And if any part reaches the ground, it is called a meteorite. The meteor that exploded over Chelyabinsk was not small. It was estimated to be about 20 meters wide, almost the size of a large building. It had been traveling through space for millions of years, completely unnoticed, completely invisible, until it met Earth. As it entered the atmosphere, it was moving at incredible speed, faster than a fighter jet. The air in front of it compressed instantly. That compression caused extreme heat. The meteor began to break apart violently. What followed was a massive mid-air explosion. The blast released energy many times stronger than an atomic bomb, yet there was no crater, no direct impact. The real danger came seconds later.
We're getting reports of a meteoring over Russia.
Early reports from Russian news channels show several injuries.
We are following this breaking story.
People were thrown off their feet.
We are here today to address a growing concern regarding the increasing frequency and proximity of meteor activity.
Can you believe what is happening?
Global wake-up call.
It's on every device we have. What is going on?
In a dangerous universe.
Is it the end of the world?
And many threats remain unseen.
No way, another one.
It was a warning.
After the
this is
explosion,
happening all over the world.
Scientists around the world reacted fast.
What
they
is
analyzed
that?
video footage,
No way,
car
another
dash
one.
scams, security cameras, even
This
mobile
is happening
phones.
all over the
From
world.
these clips, they reconstructed the meteor's path. The results were shocking. The Chelyabinsk meteor came from the direction of the sun. That made it almost impossible to detect in advance. Telescopes never saw it coming. This revealed a dangerous truth. Earth's early warning systems are incomplete. Many space rocks remain invisible until it is too late. NASA later confirmed that thousands of similar objects still pass close to Earth every year. Most miss us, but some will not. If the Chelyabinsk meteor had entered at a slightly lower angle, or exploded over a major city, millions could have died. No warning, no defense, no escape. Since then, space agencies have increased monitoring, new telescopes, new tracking systems, new planetary defense programs,
the trajectory calculations
but the threat still
immediately.
exists.
The asteroid
Chelyabinsk
field
was
is
not the
rapidly
end.
changing.
It was
We're
a
losing our
message,
window
a
of
reminder
opportunity.
from space that the next one might not miss. After the shockwave faded, the world began asking questions. How close was Earth to disaster? And could it happen again? Scientists quickly confirmed something alarming. Objects like the Chelyabinsk meteor pass near Earth more often than we think. Most are small. Most burn up harmlessly, but some are large enough to cause serious destruction. Since 2013, space agencies have increased their efforts. New telescopes scan the skies every night. Satellites track objects moving toward Earth. Programs like planetary defense were created to detect threats early and prevent future disasters. One idea is to change an asteroid's path. A small push, applied early, could make a dangerous object miss Earth completely. Another idea is to break it apart before it reaches our atmosphere. These plans are still being tested. There is no perfect system yet, and that is the danger. Chelyabinsk showed us that space does not wait for permission. It does not give warnings. The next object could arrive tomorrow, or in 10 years, or in 100. The only certainty is this: Earth must stay alert, because the sky is not always peaceful. The Chelyabinsk meteor changed how we look at the sky. It reminded humanity of its place in the universe. Small, fragile, exposed. For centuries, humans believed the greatest dangers came from Earth itself. War, disease, disaster. But some threats come from far beyond our world. Silent, fast, unseen. Chelyabinsk was not a catastrophe. It was a second chance. A moment that allowed scientists to learn, governments to prepare, and humanity to reflect. Because next time, the outcome may be very different. The universe is vast, and space is never empty. Somewhere out there, another object is moving, drifting through darkness, waiting. The question is not whether it will come. The question is whether we will be ready. Until then, the sky remains above us, quiet, but never harmless.